Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to secure your R6 account to unlock rank console guide. So these are the steps you need to know. Step number one, access your Ubisoft account. Go to the Ubisoft account website and log in with your account details. Then go to the security settings, navigate to the security section of your account setting. And step number three, activate two-step verification. Look for the two-step verification option and click activate. Number four, choose your method. You will just have to choose like email. You receive a verification code to email address. Authenticator app, you'll need to download an authenticator app like Google Authenticator and set it up with your account. And SMS, you will just receive a code via SMS your registered phone number. Follow the instructions, follow the specific instructions for your chosen method to activate two-step verification. Note your recovery codes. If you choose the authenticator app method, you'll receive a recovery codes. Store these codes securely as they are needed if you lose access to your authenticator app. And after this, you'll be just ranked access. So in this way, you will just have to secure your R6 account to unlock ranked console guide. So that's it. Thank you.